G'day legends, how's it going? Trev here from Trev's Life, and on today's video I'm gonna assemble my Christmas present, which is the jumbuck Rondo small charcoal spit roaster. That was a mouthful. Elise gave it to me early so I can put it together today and have it ready to cook a big old lamb roast and a chicken on Christmas Eve. Alright, so let's not muck around, let's get stuck in. Rightio, let's get this bad boy out of the box and see what we got. So anyway, if any of you guys get one of these for Christmas, here in Australia, there's a Facebook site called the Bunnings $85 Rotisserie Society. Yeah, Society. And you can join that group, and then you can get a million different ideas from everyday people like you and me on how to use this bad boy. Rightio. One grill plate. Instructions. Spit roasty doodad. Electric rotisserie doohickey. And finally, look at this big bad boy. Rightio. Probably stick this in fast forward and zoom through it, I reckon. Right, again, once you've got your 4 legs on, which is easy peasy, then it's time for your air vents. Turn it around here. You get your 2 little screws. One goes through. Whack it in there. And then you got 2 little butterfly screws for this bad boy. So yeah, butterfly screw on the inside, I guess. Where's my screwdriver? Screw. There it is. So you make it a little bit tight, and then you just back it off slightly. So you can open and shut your vent. Alright. Same again on the other side. That one went on a bit easier. Alrighty, vents are on. Alright, what's next? Okay, after your vents, you've now got your, what do you call it? What's that number? Number 9. Motor support. So with your motor support, both sides have got 3 holes. Your motor support only has 2 screws and a locking pin. So you just whack it in, whack the locking pin there, line up your holes, whack in a screw. Stick a nut on it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Do it again. those up off camera. On the other side, you got the doohickey that holds up the spit. Sits there like that, easy peasy. Chuck in a screw and a nut. 1, 2. Alright, I'll tighten these up off camera and then we'll move on to the next bit. Righto gang, I've tightened down the motor support, tightened down the rotisserie support. Now, there's your rotisserie. It comes in 2 pieces. You've got your main rotisserie shaft there, and then this piece here, I'll just take it off so you can see what it's all about. Come off you get. Okay, so that's a little, there's your main rotisserie. There's an extra bit. So there's your weight. Put your weight on there. Tighten him up a bit. Put your handle on there. Like so. Screw that to the rotisserie. It's easy peasy. Couple of beers, you'll have it knocked over. And there you doohickey doohads, I don't know what they're called. They get stuck into the meat, so the meat doesn't spin on the shaft. Right, so that's your rotisserie assembled. There's your little electric motor. You can get it with electric motor that you plug in, or you can get one with batteries if you're out and about. So, motor just slides straight onto the motor support, and that can be set at any height. I'm going to set it at the top height now with these little pins. Just whack the pin in there, whack your motor on. You'll know the motor's the right way because the words will be up the right way. And then your rotisserie, whack it in there like that. There's a little square locator pin doohickey that goes in the motor. That sits there like that. And I reckon we're nearly done. But I'll plug him in. Straight, hang on. I'll plug him in here. See if it works. Ready? Ready? Here we go. Hey, look at that, eh? She's a turning. Alright. Anyway, that's just my assembly video. Gonna use it on Christmas Eve. Gonna do a rolled roast lamb and a chicken. I'll probably put the chicken on, this side, because I think the chicken will be cooked in an hour and a half and the lamb might take a bit longer. So then we can just slide the chicken off, keep the lamb cooking for a bit longer. And rightio, I hope you enjoyed the video. Treb's Christmas present, rotisserie, jumbuck, Bunnings, $85. Don't forget, you can join the $85 Bunnings rotisserie mob on Facebook and join the family. Enjoy the fun. Alright gang, see you on the next video, eh? Ta-da! Streak, I said ta-da too early. Hang on. Nearly forgot the grilling rack. So, most people think of one of these rotisseries, you know, you got your coals down there, everything's cooking. But you also have the option to put this rack in the top here. and show you what it looks like. See that? And that way, you don't have to use the rotisserie. You can grill your steaks, wrap potatoes in foil, veggies in foil, whatever. Sit them straight on the top. Actually, while this bad boy's cooking the meat, you could have your spuds and your potato and your pumpkin and that wrapped in foil across the top here, cooking. So yeah, righto, this time I'm going. Ta-da.